Hey, it's Kimberly and welcome back to my channel. Today what I want to do is show you how I refresh my curls and do another twist out or braid out after a week of having my hair out. So the last time I had my hair, it was in a braid out, was earlier this week on Sunday, and then I wore it out in its braid out for the entire week, and I was dancing and stuff like that, so my hair is kind of a mess right now and I want to refresh it without having to wash it. Throughout the week, I'll refresh my hair with water and this. So this is the Curls to Go Mist Me Over Curl Hydrator. It's great. It provides moisture. I absolutely love this. As you can see, I'm about like halfway through the bottle. But when I want to actually refresh everything, I will do another twist out. So I'm going to show you what my hair is like before and my whole process. I'll be using water first to kind of get all of the, loosen up the buildup or whatever it may be, the products that are on my hair, kind of like start fresh. And then I'll use my leave-in spray. I'm going to then go in with my oil, rice bran oil, to grow my hair as opposed to rice water. And I'll be using this on the strands of my hair. And then on the scalp, I'll be using Jamaican black castor oil. So the reason I do this is that I found with this rice bran oil that sometimes I feel like my scalp starts to itch sooner. I recently, midweek, put this on my scalp and it helped. For my cream, I'll be using the Incredible Curls cream right here. And I don't believe I'll be having my hair out until about Thursday or so, because I have an event that I'm dancing at on Thursday. So basically my hair will last in a braid out or whatever. It's just that once I start dancing, you know, working out and stuff like that, then it gets chaotic. And so I wish there was a way that it could last longer, but that is what it is. Oh man. Yeah. So this is what we're dealing with. It feels dry. It smells really nice, but it feels dry and definitely in need of some moisture. So here's my hair before. Also, like, not to be gross, but I'm gonna take a brush too and just like get in there when I see that there's a lot of buildup or whatever. Just kind of brush those flakes out. Alright, so normally I would go back to front, but for the purposes of you guys actually being able to see this, I'll show you how I detangle my sections in the front. So I've got my water. I'm just literally going to soak this. I'm gonna get it as wet as I can so that I can get my hands through there. As I've said before, the front of my hair is definitely much more manageable than the back of my hair. I have looser curls here in the front, so detangling is pretty quick. And this way I can get at least 2 weeks of my hair being not washed. I don't like to wash it every single week because I feel like that's just doing too much, especially in the winter. I'm gonna spray that. Throughout my hair. And I'm actually just going to go around my entire head and do the leave-in so that my hair has a chance to take in the products. So now I'm just detangling lightly using my wide tooth comb. I put the leave-in all over my hair, and now I'm going to go in with the oil. I'm going to put this Jamaican black castor oil onto my scalp, and then I'm going to put the rice bran oil onto my strands of hair. This stuff is really thick, so I don't feel like I need a lot. I'm just putting in about that much for the bottom. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to now put the rice bran oil onto the strands of my hair. And definitely making sure to get my ends, which are the most vulnerable part because it's the oldest part of your hair. So I'm just gonna section my hair off and I'll add the cream as I go. Got my Incredible Curls cream. And I also feel like even the Incredible Curls cream acts as a detangler. Alright, so I am done. That probably did take over an hour because I was taking my time, but here's my hair. So they feel nice and moisturized, and now I'm going to do what I always do, which is stretch them. So I twist my twists so that they are stretched, and by the time that I take them out on later in the week, like they'll have a little more length to them. So that's my trick for getting length. I add one hair tie to the bottom and then one hair tie kind of around this range to really extend it. And that gives me that length. Alright, so this is what I'll do, and then when I go to sleep at night, I'll just probably pin them up like so. And then that is how I refresh my hair. So that is how I make sure that my hair is refreshed when I don't wash it week to week. Comment down below what you do to refresh your hair so that you're not washing it every single week. Or if you do wash it every single week, how's that going for you in the winter? Okay, so I finally took my twists out, and this is what it looks like. So I've got a nice juicy twist. I have a show that I'm doing, so I'm not going to separate my hair too much because the humidity will just make it get really big. But this is what it looks like. And I'm all set. So as usual, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.